you did to me. Look what you made me.
Wheels and Wings is your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and detailed features on some of the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we take a closer look at the Dacia Logan, a budget-friendly sedan that offers practicality, efficiency, and reliability at an affordable price. The Dacia Logan is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, featuring a modern yet straightforward exterior. The front end is highlighted by a bold grille with chrome accents, sleek headlights, and a well-proportioned body that ensures a balanced look. The aerodynamic shape contributes to fuel efficiency, while the high ground clearance makes it suitable for various road conditions. The updated design includes LED daytime running lights and a refreshed bumper that adds a touch of modernity to its appearance. Step inside, and the Logan surprises with a spacious and comfortable cabin. The interior may be minimalistic, but it is built with durability and practicality in mind. The seats are well cushioned and provide good support for long drives. The dashboard layout is simple and functional, featuring an easy-to-use infotainment system with a touchscreen display. Depending on the trim level, it comes with smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, USB ports, and a premium sound system. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it a comfortable choice for families and passengers. With a large trunk capacity, the Logan is ideal for those who need extra cargo space for daily commutes or road trips. Under the hood, the Dacia Logan offers a range of fuel-efficient engine options, including petrol, diesel, and LPG variants. The engines are tuned for reliability and low running costs rather than high performance, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. The smooth manual or automatic transmission ensures ease of driving, while the suspension setup provides a comfortable ride, even on uneven roads. The lightweight construction contributes to better fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective option for long-term ownership. When it comes to safety, the Logan comes equipped with essential features such as ABS, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags. Higher trims include advanced driver assistance systems like Hill Start Assist, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera for added convenience. The reinforced body structure enhances crash protection, ensuring peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The Dacia Logan is a practical and budget-friendly sedan that delivers value for money. It is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and spacious car without unnecessary luxury features. Whether for city driving or long-distance travel, the Logan provides a no-nonsense approach to mobility. For more in-depth reviews, features, and the latest updates on exciting vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wings. Stay tuned for more great content.